What's going on, guys? So we are out here in Heber Springs with Jonathan Armistead and Jason Mace, and we're gonna do some fishing today. So, fellas, introduce yourself. Say hi to everybody.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, how y'all doing?
So look what Jonathan made for Vicky a little bit. But this thing is cool. Yeah, Jonathan makes some great stuff. These guys are both making beautiful signs. But anyway, today's not too much about signs. We're gonna go catch some fish.
Yes, we are.
So we're getting on a boat, so stay tuned, guys. You're gonna see us out on the lake and hopefully landing some nice fish.
Let's hope so.
See you in a minute.
See you guys in a minute.
So Jason, tell us where you're from, a little bit about yourself, your history, you know, all of that stuff.
Well, I'm born and I don't know. I'm born and raised from Arkansas. How y'all doing?
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. John?
I'm Jonathan Armistead. Been carving for a couple years. I built myself a workshop and wasn't sure what to do with it. I found Dave online and it just changed everything that I did. I just carve signs now. After working with Dave, watching him for quite a long period and learning all the basics, then my boy Henry Satterfield, watching him, it just, those two together just kind of gave me my style, and I just love what I do. I love meeting these guys, and it's been a great weekend so far.
Yeah, and we've been hanging out with these guys. They're both selling lots of signs. Jason sold a couple today while we were trout fishing. You put the sales pitch on the guy that we were fishing with, our guide. And so how long you been following this, Jason?
I actually started carving less than 9 months ago.
Really?
Yeah. And I was into it for a couple months, and I picked you up on a YouTube channel. And then I started learning your techniques, and then you invited me to the tribe.
Yeah.
As soon as I joined the tribe, my art just flourished.
Yeah.
Everybody's constructive criticism, everybody's so helpful with their ideas. It's just a great community to be a part of.
That's so.
I second that. A shout out to all you tribe members. Anything I've ever needed, you guys have been there for us.
Yeah. So these guys are, you know, they're perfect examples of just kind of figuring out your style and kind of checking things out, keeping your eyes open. They're both selling signs, making a few bucks here and there. So we just appreciate you guys setting this whole thing up and inviting us to come over and hang out with you. And we can't be on here too long because the fish are calling our name. So.
All right, guys. It's time for a beer and to catch some fish. So,
Does that say on the front of it?
freedom, baby.
There you go.
Freedom.
Freedom.
Anti-California.
Yeah, Arkansas. The one in California says communism. It's weird. All right. We'll see you guys later.
I gotta say it, I love Arkansas, but roll tide.
There you go, Alabama. guys, we are in Alma, Arkansas, traveling around, doing our thing, and we met up with this lady here who's kind of been following us for a little bit. Introduce yourself, ma'am.
Gail Williams. I live in Gravett, Arkansas, which is in the northwest corner, and I got to come down and meet these guys.
Yeah, we got to have lunch and talk woodworking. It's been fun.
She gave us some gifts. She makes
did.
Custom pens. Check out these pens, guys. Absolutely. Zebra wood and cedar. This one's for Vicky, for Ryan.
And that's
Cody.
Bacote.
Cool. So thank you so much for the wonderful
you,
gifts.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
And thank you for coming down and hanging out with us.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah. So how long you been following us?
At least a couple of years.
A couple of years?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think a
And you've
couple-
made some signs,
Yes, yes.
but you do a lot of other things too.
I do other things more. You know, the wood turning. I make cutting boards and wooden American flags and just some odds and ends of things.
And you do these not just for gifts, but you actually sell them?
I sell them at the farmer's market. Yes,
Gotcha.
yes.
Gotcha. And then you had an Etsy
I
store.
have an Etsy shop where I sell my pins on.
Yeah. You've been doing woodworking for how long?
About 7 or 8 years, maybe.
You got some toys, and you're kind of
Yes.
constantly trying different things.
Yes.
So it's kind of your escape. You're retired.
Yes, I'm retired. Yeah, and I got a laser engraver 2 or 3 months ago, and I'm still learning what all it can do.
Yeah.
A lot. You can do a lot.
That's fantastic. So, all right. So, any words of wisdom for the new sign carvers out there, the new woodworkers?
Just keep at it, and when you make mistakes, learn from them.
Yeah.
And sometimes the mistakes turn out to be better than what you had planned. There's always a new way to do something.
Is the ladies getting involved in power tools and all? I love it. It's just fantastic. Thank you again, Gail. It was just a pleasure hanging out with you and getting to meet you.
So nice to meet y'all.
Yeah.
It was nice to meet you too.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, thanks. We'll see you soon.
This morning that we aren't